Okay, now we're on day 3, and I have to tell you, my math activity is my all-time favorite for this day. It took a lot of thinking and a lot of really trying to make it playful and fun, and I think the kids are going to love it. So today is Wednesday. It is Water Transportation Day. So sit tight, and there is more to come. Here I am again with my water transportation whole group or circle time poster, just again to get the conversation started. And one thing that I would do as the days go on is I would ask, what's different with water transportation than air travel or land travel? Well, it's water, of course. Is it only the ocean? Can you take some of these in rivers? Maybe in a big lake? How about a pond? Could you have any of these things in your backyard swimming pool? Things like that. Just get them thinking, get that critical thinking going, talk about what they know, build on their prior knowledge, and I think they're going to have a lot of fun with the activities for today. In my quest to make my transportation unit a little bit more fun for me and for the kids, I created this little activity. First, I've got these little 2-inch circles with a boat and a number clearly visible. It goes up to 20. The idea is there's a pan of water, and you guys, this is really only about a 1/2 inch of water. And I wouldn't do much more than that because you want to avoid catastrophe. I'm going to use some liquid watercolor to make the water blue because that's just more fun for the kids, and swish it around a little bit. So now I've got this blue tinted water, and that was only a drop, but that was enough to make it more fun. So I have put those little circles in these solo like cocktail cups, and I laminated them. They're on the bottom, and they will float on the top of the water. I might need a little bit more than a 1/2 inch like I put in here, but the idea is to get something like these little colored discs to put in our little floating boats. So if I had the one with the number 1 on it, I would put 1 little chip in it. Here is 2, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And like I said, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And like I said, these go up to 20. So you don't have to start at 1. You can start with higher numbers. If you're focusing on teen numbers, you can do that. But I have tried this with more water too, and the cups float. And just adding that one thing makes it so much more fun and makes the kids really want to go to that center. Okay, here's one of my favorite alphabet matching and beginning sound activities. You match the letters, and the middle makes a beginning sound picture. And for my transportation unit, I used as many transportation beginning sound pictures as I could that I felt like the kids would know. So you saw airplane, boat, car, but you know, double-decker bus. They don't really know that here in America. Some people have electric cars, but elephant's easier. Ferry, and I guess I could have done an actual ferry, but they know that ferry more than the other. Ghost, helicopter. So I'm bringing in beginning sounds, letter matching, and as much unit vocabulary as I can. My kids really like this. To them, it's like making a puzzle. They can't wait to see what the picture is in the middle. So motorcycle, necklace. I will usually have one set of these already set up on the rug. So either the upper or lowercase letter, and then they've got to go match the picture. And one thing I really love about this activity, even if I'm just working on matching letters, is they know that if the picture doesn't make something, there's rocket, sailboat, they know that they don't have the right letter to match. So that's what's really good for my 3-year-olds and, you know, my 4-year-olds. Some of them are struggling as well. But we've got the whole alphabet in these cute little bright boats. And it goes A through Z. So they all make a beginning sound picture. Ta-da! There you go. Okay, I love rhyming pair sorts with my preschool because they are just learning about rhyming words and they love doing rhyming words. So here I've got rhyming word pair cards, and I will read every one in this whole deck before I start. I will hand the child a card. We say what's on here, van, fan, and they choose which mat it goes on, the rhyme or not a rhyme. The rhyming submarine has a happy face, not rhyming has a sad face. Bat, cat, eye, pie, motorcycle, rocket, spoon, moon, eggs, legs, helicopter, balloon, coat, boat, fox, box, fairy, berry, plane, train, hand, apple, duck, truck, clock, sock, ant, kite, house, mouse, cake, rake, jam, yam, lemon, saw, shirt, acorn, sunflower, helicopter, sun, bun, ladybug, chick, cat, hat, ring, king, socks, turtle, dog, log, pear, bear, star, car, heart, key, and yarn, barn. Okay, so one thing that you didn't see is that in my lesson plan, I also have some shape ships. Instead of ship shape, I have some shape ships. So it's just using a few basic shapes and a popsicle stick to make a sailboat. So that's a fun craft, and I've got those templates included in my lesson plan. But I hope you liked today's water transportation activities. Stay tuned for tomorrow's self-propelled transportation day. I really think the kids are going to love this one. There's one that's pretty amazing, and I can't wait to try it. So I'll see you tomorrow for self-propelled transportation. Thanks again. Remember, hit subscribe, smash the like button, leave a comment for me. I'd love to hear from you guys. I always answer back.